It's another special day, and I'm welcoming you all to this channel, which is called Nedos TV. Today, basically, we'll be doing something about MTN, just MTN common, and it deals with free after one. Yeah, free after one. You first have to activate it. Afterwards, anytime you call someone, you get to pay only for the first minute of your call. The rest is free, and in addition, you will get a 50 megabyte afterwards the call. So let me activate by putting on the code. So you move to phone, dial *315#. You enter 1. As you can see, MTN says welcome to MTN free after one. Choose an option below. 1 is activate, 2 deactivate, 3 info. So I'm choosing 1 to activate. Send. Please confirm purchase of free after one. So I'm going to choose 1 to confirm. So I've confirmed. They will send a notification showing that I've confirmed. As you can see, it is working. Yeah, this is it. Congrats, you have subscribed to MTN free after one. Pay for only first minute of each local call, and the rest that call is free, plus 50 MB daily, as you can see. So I'm coming. Let me see if I can call someone. I'm coming. After the call, I have been given 50 megabytes, just like that. After my call, you can see this is the call that I made 5 minutes ago. So afterwards, I've been given the credits. You can see. I really know some people will doubt me, so I want to try and see whether it is really real. You can see without bundle, this stuff won't be uploading at this time. So you can see. Let me check my airtime, my bundle, everything. So you can see I have a little midnight bundle, which is not too much. A 50 megabyte FB bundle and a 50 megabyte WhatsApp bundle. So guys, it will be right if you switch onto MTN. But until then, peace for now. Nedos TV. Like, subscribe, share so that others can be aware of these videos I'm doing on my channel. Bye.